really, could you talk a little bit about maybe the success that you've had with this technology using AI to write and apply for grants?
Sure. Since we started using AI to apply for grants, and I won't get specific with clients, etc., but every funder that we've applied for grants to, we've received funding. I want to be clear. It's not every grant that we've submitted, because there are limitations on how much available money is there for grant applicants. But we've worked with a number of clients, and sometimes we're working with 10 clients for a specific grant, or 5 clients for a specific grant. And there's no grant that we've applied to with our clientele where we haven't been successful.
Oh.
Right? So it's a really strong indication that, I think AI grant writing is the future. I think it's the present. I know it's the future. And, I think it's important for organizations to jump on board now, so that, they're able to access funds in a growingly competitive funding environment. If you're a not-for-profit, if you're a church, a mosque, a faith-based organization, if you're an individual or an entrepreneur, and you are confused about how to really access grant funding, or you want to elevate the level of grant funding that you are currently accessing, I would say give us a call, connect with us, visit the website, because it's getting more and more competitive in the grant landscape. And there are so many fantastic organizations that are missing out on the resources that they need and I think deserve, just because they don't have a strategy when it comes to accessing grant funding. And we can help you with that strategy. We can help you writing the grants. We can really help you impact the community in the way that you should be impacting your community. So connect with us at tribedigital.ca/grants, and let's see what we can do for you.